Welcome back to the channel. Here we have our caps for the mini splits that go right here. We are going to go ahead and put them on and see how they look. Let's see if we can get this on here. We're going to do a little persuasive kick. So far, so good. Let's go ahead and try the second one. Over here for the second one. Go ahead. And that one just clicks right in. Now let's try the back one, see if we can get these in here real quick. We've got this one. We're going to have to clear out some of the crap. Okay, let's see. No, doesn't look like we're going to be able to get those in right now. Back over at the second mini split, we're going to try to put this one on real fast. Let's go ahead and do a persuasive kick. Got that one on. May have to wait because we have had a few snowstorms. I don't think this one's going to slide in. Oh, it might. Another persuasive kick. Well, we kind of cracked that one, but it'll get the job done. So if you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.